Assalamualaikum friends, क्या हाल है अभी? Okay, today I will discuss another important property of the exponential. We know that whenever we have any exponential form, uh, then we can change this exponential form into the logarithmic form, just like this one. If we have a raised to power b is equal to c, then we can change this property in the logarithmic form as log of c base a is equal to b. Am I right? Similarly, whenever we have this one, there are three properties. This expression, this is called the base. This one is called the exponent. And this one is called the product. So this property becomes log of c base a, that is called the product, that is called the base, and that becomes exponent. Over here, I will use the green marker. So this whole expression, this one is called this whole expression log natural of y is called the exponent, is called the base, and this one is called the product. Is it clear? So the same rule you have to apply over here. What's the rule is? So you have to apply log, am I right? Base, this terms will be over here. This with the help of the suppose red, this base will be over here. And this term becomes y over here. So that will be it over here is equal to the simple I have. This one is ln of y. Am I right? So I will get the log natural of y is equal to the log natural of y. So these two terms will be cancelled out. So I will get the y is equal to y. If you want to move the reverse process, you have to do over here. So whenever you have this expression log, whenever you have log natural of y in any exponential form, that will be is equal to the y. In shortcut, these two terms will be cancelled out and I will get the y. Clear, beta? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.